Hi, Chris Lamb with Commerce Home Mortgage. It's the month of July and it's got to be the coolest July we've ever had in history here in California. This month we're going to talk about a couple things. The first question that I wanted to answer is a question that we get often for veterans, which is, can you have two VA loans at the same time? We recently had this question come up and I thought it would be something that would be notable to share with those of you that are veterans or maybe no veterans that might want to buy a house with one of the best loan programs out there, the VA Guaranteed Loan. We've been doing the VA loan for over a decade. It's one of our favorite loans that we get to do with 100% financing, no mortgage insurance. And obviously for most of us, we would believe that veterans really deserve a benefit like this. Now, when someone gets a VA loan and they have a VA loan on a current home, and let's say that they get transferred to another city, or they want to convert that house into a rental, maintaining that VA loan while using their veterans benefits on another home, there's a lot of thoughts out there that you cannot have two VA loans at the same time, and it's not true. You actually can. Now, there is some mathematical equations that have to take place. Generally, with a VA entitlement, it's a little over $100,000 for someone that's buying a house, which will take them up into the mid $400,000 range. And most people here in Shasta County aren't buying anywhere close to that. And so if they buy one house, they may still have enough entitlement to purchase another home, and oftentimes with no money down on the second home as well. So if you know a veteran that hasn't used their VA loan, it's something that a lot of veterans that we talk to aren't aware of, they don't know about it, and it's something that we love educating people on. Now, as I mentioned, it is July, we're over halfway through the year, and one of the big questions that we have all the time is, where are interest rates, what's the economy doing, and what could we expect housing to do? And it's a really great question. Most people that own a house want to know what the value in their home's doing. They want to know if they can save money by refinancing. And many people that are thinking about getting into the market or possibly selling and buying another house are interested as well. Now, if you think about last year, what we were talking about the whole year is the expectation that interest rates were going to continue to rise. And here we are in July of 2019 and the exact opposite has happened. Right now, the 30-year fixed mortgage is right around 4%, give or take. And to help you understand the difference, if we go back just a little bit over a year ago with the average price point in most of California, most people are going to have a payment that's about $200 less this year than it was last year. Or people may qualify for a little bit more of a house than what they would have last year, because that payment difference is going to make a big change for them. And so the people that we're talking to right now are people that they're wanting to refinance their house, pull out equity and maybe put in a pool, remodel their home. We're talking to a lot of people right now that are what we would call move-up buyers that have bought a house in the last 5 to 7 years. They're wanting to cash in on the equity that they have and maybe buy a home that's a little more suitable to their needs at this stage in life. And if you know someone like that, or if you are someone like that, we would love to talk to you. Or for anything else for that matter, you can call me here at the office. And I really appreciate you checking out this month's market update.